what's up? I really hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about my skincare journey. You all know how much I used to suffer with dark spots, dullness and what not. My skin lost its natural glow and it was very much prominent. Look at this picture. My skin is looking so uneven and dull. Around my mouth I have discoloration, my cheeks are full with dark spots. I have tried so many home remedies, so many skincare products, but guess what? Nothing worked on my skin. I was so confused like what to use. Then I got to know about vitamin C from my friend. She used it religiously and her skin is so flawless and clear. She insisted me to use it again as it helped her. After doing some research, I got to know so many things about vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It will prevent early signs of aging, it will improve your skin's elasticity, and most importantly, it will provide you even skin tone. Apart from these, vitamin C has got a lot of benefits, a lot. And that's why I have decided to incorporate vitamin C in my skincare routine. Now let's talk about the serum I have been using. Here you go. This is the Garnier Vitamin C Serum, which will fade away dark spots in 3 days. This serum has 30x more vitamin C that fades dark spots and dullness and provides bright even skin. It's a best combination of vitamin C plus niacinamide plus salicylic acid. This serum is free from sulfates and parabens. It's very important to pick a right skincare product that will target your skin concerns according to your skin problem. And trust me, this is by far the best vitamin C serum I have ever used. Best part is that this serum works really fast on our skin, and that's why you will see the changes very quickly. It has very lightweight and non-oily formulation. Serums are highly concentrated with active ingredients, and that's why they are the best to treat skin issues. I like to use 2 to 3 drops of this serum on my cleansed face and follow it up with a moisturizer. See how fast it penetrated on my skin, leaving a healthy glow. See how healthy and bright my skin is looking. I love that they have so many sizes available. Let me keep it simple. This is a one-stop solution for all skin problems out there, and I can't recommend this enough to you people. Here is a before and after. See how plump and healthy my skin is looking? That's why vitamin C is so much important. Give it a try and you're gonna thank me later. This is my vitamin C journey. Start yours now. For your convenience, I will provide the buying links on my description box, so please check out from there, and see you soon. Bye and take care.